Hi, I'm Emily, Quality and Compliance Manager at Young Academics. I believe in supporting children to become independent learners, which is pivotal in setting them up for success in the real world. Incorporating the subjects of science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics to develop our STEAM workshops, we aim to develop each child's ability to understand these contexts, explore ideas and challenge the norm. This is essential in developing their individual capacity to proactively engage in communities and contribute to an inquiry-based learning environment. Our STEAM workshops provide regular, focused opportunities for children to extend their learning and push the boundaries of modern teaching in early childhood environments. Each week, we set challenges for children that are both equally age-appropriate and relevant to the real-world community they are experiencing. Children are exposed to opportunities to develop their knowledge in biological science and digital capacities, whilst exploring the role of engineering and communication through mathematical concepts in everyday actions. Through the support of our specialised workshop teachers, children are encouraged to take ownership of their learning through a variety of small group learning experiences, leading children towards questioning and developing hypotheses and exploring common STEAM theories. We encourage innovative ways of learning because everything that matters to your child matters to us.